I'm going to show you how to make the Rode PodMic sound absolutely awesome on a RodeCaster Pro 2.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.
So by the end of this video, you're going to know everything you need to know about making this mic sound its best. Now, the good news I can say up front is you need to do very little work. Obviously, as the RodeCaster Pro 2 and the Rode PodMic are made by the same company, they are designed to interact seamlessly together. So it's not a case of tweaking DSs and noise gates or anything like that I've shown you in different videos. It's simply a case of saying, what do I want to sound like? A neutral broadcaster, an FM radio DJ, or a podcaster? And I'll show you how you can tweak those settings right now. I'll just say up front a few words on this microphone. For the price at around $99 US, it is insanely priced. I mean, it's such a good piece of gear. It's portable, and if I were to be doing portable podcasting, I would probably pack a RodeCaster Pro 2 and 4 of these pod mics in a backpack, and I would go and travel and do it. And it's a super solid setup. Don't forget the cables, though. Get those XLR cables. It's got a sort of integrated pop filter in the top. It's good. It's okay. I mean, for the price, I'm definitely not complaining. I think I sound pretty awesome on this mic, and it plugs in, as I just mentioned, via the analog XLR cable. So with all that said and set up on a boom arm, let's look across here at the RodeCaster Pro 2 and on microphone channel 4. I actually already have this. It's already detected that I'm using a Rode PodMic, and it's automatically set my level at 50 dB. You see my voice is generally going between the rails, which it needs to do. I could probably boost that up by a few dB. I might put that up by 54, and then we can see when I'm talking now, I'm really hitting most of those rails. If I did choose to move the microphone further away, like this, I didn't want it so much in view, you can see now I'm outside of the rails, and I should boost my volume up even more to maybe 59 dB. But as I like to be close to the mic, I'm going to turn that down. I'm going to leave it at 54 and have it quite close to my mouth so I get the full proximity effect, all the frequencies in my voice picked up by this beautiful and very well priced microphone. Now, usually I'd go ahead and say, click the advanced button and start playing with DSs and compressors and equalization. But as the RodeCaster Pro 2 has its own Rode PodMic setting, Rode have done all the hard work for you, so you don't really need to do too much setting up. And it's the same case for pretty much any Rode microphone you're using. So as you can see here, if I scroll along, I've got the Rode Broadcaster, the Procasters in there, the NT1, the NT1A, there's even RE20 and Shure SM7B settings if you're using those very popular microphones. But let's go back to the PodMic and see what we can change here. We've got 3 options. We've got depth, we've got sparkle, and we've got punch. So depth seems to be the presence to your voice, sparkle is the high end, and punch is the real bassy boominess, that kind of FM sound. So if I were to take the punch and increase that right up, I'd be like, hey, welcome to FM radio. Coming up next, a great hit from Lady Gaga. That might not be your style. You could back that off. Instead, you want to be clearly heard. You want a bit of sparkle. So push that one right up and you sound super clear, super crisp. This could be good if you're doing a voiceover or something like that for radio. And then depth, let's increase that one right up and listen. Hello there, this is me. You can really hear my voice. All the middle range frequencies are getting enhanced. Very nice indeed. And if you don't want to stop there of just tweaking those effects up and down and you want a real good sort of starting point for the kind of audio you are working on, then click into effects here. Have a look at that. And you will see there's echo and reverb. So I can say, hello. Oh, we can do this. We can switch it on. Hello. Wow. So we can do different effects for different processes. Reverb is always a good one as well. Used to use this when I worked in radio. Hey, I'm in a great hall. So much you can do with all the different effects. Let's switch that one off. That's reverb. And you actually, what I really like about this is that you have all the settings you'd expect on a box, an analog box that has reverb. Back into processing though, if we look at presets under processing, right here, you'll see that you've got neutral, podcast studio, and broadcast. So Rode offer you 3 defaults that you can work with straight away to make this microphone sound as good as it can. If I select neutral, this is the Rode PodMic at its most basic settings. Then I can go to podcast studio. This is me when I'm doing a podcast. You can hear it's added a little bit of bass to my voice and I sound like a real podcast show host. Or you got broadcast if you're doing like FM radio or internet radio. Hello and welcome to WABC. This is Mike with my broadcast setting on the microphone. I really like it, and the closer I get, the more frequencies in my voice. This for $99 is absolutely insane. Anyway, I'll stop getting intimate with the microphone there and say what a great microphone combination for the RodeCaster Pro 2 at $99. I frankly would buy 4 of them, stick them in a backpack, and take this kit with me when I travel. It really is that good. If you've got any questions about setting up the Rode PodMic and the RodeCaster Pro 2, do post them in the comments down below.
If you've not done so already, check out musicradiocreative.com. This is where my team of 200 plus audio professionals can help you with voiceovers, radio jingles, DJ drops, podcast intros, music, ads, and much, much more.
Thumbs up, subscribe for more. musicradiocreative.com